how to use ClickUp for hiring candidates. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add or to use ClickUp for hiring candidates. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on this board. Normally, depending on the space that you have here, you're going to have, I don't know, a task space, for example, or list, whatever. You're going to have, for example, this space, or this is going to be the idea space, maybe, or one of the spaces here. So I'm going to create a space from scratch. I'm going to have a hiring campaign, and we're going to have a description or not. So basically, you can go ahead and click on continue. Let's see if we can use a template. So hiring, let's see, hiring candidates. We have already a hiring candidate, as you can see, template. So we are going to use it. So it is going to be hiring candidates, and we can go ahead and have the importation of whatever items that we have. Basically, I'm not going to have archive task, so I'm going to have everything imported. Normally we're going to find our space here. It is going to be created, so normally it is going to be there, social media, whatever. So we're going to refresh the page real quick. Hiring candidates, here we have it. It is going to be added. It will take a little bit of time, but it is going to be here. So the most important thing here is going to have everything set up, and normally on this project, which is going to be here, normally we are going to have a form, which is going to be this. So we have the tracking, we have the full listing, we have the chat view, the overview, and we can go ahead and add a form. This form, we're going to add it, which is going to have the application submissions, and it is going to add the listing of them. Everything having here is going to be right there. You can follow up the video of this. Basically, you can go ahead and have it like that, add the candidates, and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.